Today's the first day of 10 days of Easter. Today I'm making an Easter basket. First I have an Easter basket. Inside the Easter basket I have 2 styrofoam square pieces that I covered in tissue paper. Next I'm going to add some green paper grass. Then I'm going to add this tic-tac-toe game. Next I'm going to add these Easter bubble sticks. Next I'm going to add this bunny jump rope. Then I'm going to add these bunny sunglasses. Now I have this mini bunny candy dispenser. I'm going to add these Peeps jelly beans inside the candy dispenser. Lastly, I'm going to add the bunny candy dispenser to the basket. Here's an up-close look of the Easter basket.